Welcome to section 5, Efficient Data Transfer with Scoop. In this section, we'll understand what is Scoop, what is Scoop architecture, how to import data from RDBMS to HDFS, and how to export data from HDFS to RDBMS. How we are going to learn this whole Scoop? We'll learn by performing the steps, and the steps are: we'll understand what is Scoop and its architecture. We'll perform the practical and analyze the results. We'll also verify the different scenarios where Scoop can help. So, be having the topics of what is Scoop. Now, in this section, we'll talk about what is Scoop and what is its architecture and what Scoop can do for us. Now, what exactly Scoop is? Scoop is being used to transfer the bulk data from any RDBMS to HDFS location. Now, because the RDBMS storage is very costly nowadays, we need one system which can efficiently transfer the old data to our Hadoop system and let the RDBMS be the primary service which can store the transactional data or any kind of data which requires immediate access. But the data which is being generated and which is being stored in a very huge amount can be stored back to HDFS and can be analyzed with the help of Hive, with the help of Pig, and there are various tools which can help you analyze the data which is being stored in HDFS. So let's understand what is Scoop architecture. Now in this Scoop architecture, you can see on the left hand side I have RDBMS, and this RDBMS could be anyone like MySQL, Oracle, DB2, and there could be many more. Now on the right hand side I have got HDFS, which is the primary storage system for Hadoop. It could be HBase, it could be Hive, which is built on the top of HDFS only. I can use my RDBMS data and I can transfer the whole data with the help of Scoop to my Hadoop file system, and I can transfer the data from HDFS or Hadoop file system to RDBMS. So the data can be moved back and forth from one system to another. Now we have already discussed that HDFS is actually a very efficient storage for big data. If we perform this step, we'll be able to save a lot of amount which we need to spend in RDBMS for per terabyte storage. Specifically when the data is very huge, we can actually transfer the access data to our HDFS system and we can analyze the data over there. Now what exactly Scoop does for us? Now Scoop does the following to integrate the bulk data movement between Hadoop and structured data stores. Function: import sequential data sets from mainframe. Now the benefits are: it satisfies the growing need to move the data from mainframe to HDFS. You can import direct to ORC files. You can also import data. You can do a parallel data transfer for faster performance and optimal system utilization. You can actually create the copies of the system of the data, whatever the data you have in RDBMS, from any external system into Hadoop. You can also use it for efficient data analysis, which improves the efficiency of data analysis by combining structured data and unstructured data or in a schema on read data lake. You can also do load balancing, which will help you remove the extra storage from RDBMS and help you make your RDBMS faster.